So we've just arrived at Volcano Bay. We've got the early access today, so it's just gone 9:30. We've entered the park. There was no queue. Was able to get in really quickly. So we're going to find ourselves a sunbed and do some sunbathing. It's a beautiful day today for it, so very excited. So we ended up going for this pepperoni pizza, which looks really, really yummy. Can't wait to eat it. And got it with this little blue raspberry slushy drink. So in total it came to about $19 altogether. So this is a map of the park. I can't believe how big Volcano Bay is. We got the early access today, so we managed to get a sunbed in a really good spot. So I would recommend to try and come just before 11 to get like a really good space. Hello. We just got off the iTrolley and we're on our way to Longhorn Steakhouse. I'm very excited to try American steak to see how it compares to UK steak. It didn't take that long, the bus at all. There's a bus stop not too far from our hotel, and it's about, say, 5 minutes on the iTrolley, which is really good. So we're just making our way there now. Bit of a late start to the evening. We were really tired when we got back to the hotel after being in the sun all day. So, but now we're refreshed and we're ready to go. Okay, so let's have a look at the menu. There's some drinks. Got your starters there. They sound good. Spicy chicken bites, firecracker chicken wraps, soups. Oh, okay. Now these are the steaks I'm talking about. They're all served with a choice of side and hand chopped salad. Maybe some combos as well. That even looks good. The salmon with the grilled shrimp. Oh, they've got chicken, seafood, and other things. Like if you don't eat steak, they do pork chops, ribs. There's all the sides, salads. If you're not trying to, pile on the pounds. Some desserts there too. Okay, interesting. So our drinks have just arrived. I tasted that raspberry lemonade. Oh my gosh, it is absolutely amazing. It tastes incredible. And these drinks are refillable too, which is really good, especially if you're someone like me that drinks a lot with their meal. And then these salads came with our main course too. I mean, look at the size of the salad. It's huge. And also this bread comes included too, which looks really good. I think that's just like a butter dip there. But yeah, so far I'm happy. So our food has just arrived. This is looking really good. We've got the steak, the broccoli, the rice, and it comes with some shrimp too. There's a lot of shrimp on there. I was not expecting that. My sister went for the salmon with the rice and then this sweet potato with the cinnamon sugar on top. I've never heard of that before, but it all looks really good. So I've only just started eating. I've taken my first bite. Look at how cooked to perfection that is. Do like my steak medium rare. Oh my gosh, this tastes absolutely insane. Comes with this little, I think it's butter. I'm not too sure. And normally back home, I would always have like a peppercorn sauce with my steak, and this just tastes so good on its own. And those prawns are so juicy. There's a bit of like I say a bit of like a grilled smoky taste to it, which is just amazing. And my sister's just said hers tastes really good as well. Is the sweet potato nice? Really, yeah, really soft. Soft. There's a bit of sweetness on there with the cinnamon sugar. And the salmon is, you said, cooked as well. Yeah, cooked really good. It's a nice glaze. So far, so good. I'm enjoying this so much right now. We just got back not too long ago. It did take us a little bit longer than expected to get back because we ended on the last iTrolley bus, which stops at 10:30. So we ended up walking. Took us a while, but overall that place was so good. Like the service was amazing. They always kept coming over to ask if we were okay, if we needed a refill, if we needed anything. And yeah, the food was so good. And also it wasn't too bad in terms of price. I think the total price plus the tip was about $34, so I was happy overall. But yeah, I want to call it a night, get some rest, and I'll catch you all again soon. Thank you so much for watching.